Let me show you some of the editing capabilities of Sigasi 2.0. First of all, we have Content Assist. Content Assist means sort of smart autocomplete. So if you start typing my label, entity, hit Control space, the tool asks you which entity you want to instantiate. So here, for instance, you want the device under test, DUT, and all of a sudden you get the entire port map, so you don't have to copy that anymore. Now let's hover our mouse over this. This is data in. It's a signal of data type standard logic vector 790. If we click, we see where it's declared. It's declared up here on line number 10. And the other data in is a different thing. It's not a signal, it's an input port. So if you hover your mouse here, you see data in is input port standard logic vector 790. And if you select data in, then the highlight goes away in the other in the signal with the same name. Same here, start is a signal of standard logic data type. This here is an input port of standard logic data type. And we see some extra information. Start tells me to get started. So let's see where start is declared. You can right click, open declaration, or just press F3, open declaration. And this is where that comment came from. Somebody put a really nice comment next to the start port and next to the ready port. Tells you I'm ready, tells me to get started. And if you see start anywhere in the design, you can hover over it and you see what it means. You see its declaration and you see the comments that are added to it. Now hovering works for most data types, so you can hover over this here, max count. Max count is a constant of data type integer, and we see its value. So the value is 67. Now let's jump to the declaration. It's just a few lines up here. This is where max count is declared. Max count is answer plus 5 times 5, and again answer is another constant and the answer is 42. So let's find out where answer is declared. Open declaration, and the answer is declared in a different file in my package. So let's get back. What you also see here is that different things are colored differently, and I'm sure you know syntax highlighting. Comments are put in one color and keywords are put in a different color. But on top of that, we have semantic highlighting, which means that the data types get colored in green, not just the standard data types, but also any data type that you might add, any custom data type. So let's do this. Type is idle or running. So now if you have a signal the state of type name, type name, then also this name is colored in green, even though it's a custom data type. Name is perhaps a bit of a silly name, so let's change that. Refactor, rename element, state type, like that. So you see that it gets changed in two places at the same time. So we've seen semantic highlighting, we've seen template expansion, smart templates in fact. We've seen the hovers, and the next thing I want to show you is the type time compilation. People often add an extra semicolon to port lists, which is incorrect, of course, and the tool tells you right away. So as soon as you remove the semicolon, the error marker goes away. As soon as you type a wrong data type, you get a notification that could not find declaration corresponding to this incorrect data type. And as soon as you fix it, the error marker goes away. So this is really powerful, and it works across files as well. So if you have the wrong answer, it doesn't work anymore. If you fix that here, then the error goes away here. So the tool knows the entire project. It compiles while you type, and it helps you navigate, helps you inspect your code, and it helps you type your code. So you can check this out for yourself. You can download the tool and request a trial license at sigasi.com, sigasi.com, sigasi.com.